Hello again guys, welcome back to Hedgerow Hunts. In this one we're going to be talking about all the ones that got away. Most channels don't normally do this, but I felt why not try be different from all the rest. Let's get into it. I'd like to remind you that no pests were harmed in the making of this video on this occasion. I used my LEO 32 Plus rangefinder to find the distance on this rat. Although I knew the distance, it was still a miss. Let me know if you guys think you would be able to hit this shot, or if you think you would have missed as well.
Oh, you got it. That was what the one I was last.
I missed him. I don't feel this video would have been good enough if it was just rats, so I decided to add some rabbits for good measure. Unfortunately, I didn't have a pellet loaded into my rifle on this occasion, as I was just about to reload my magazine when I spotted this rabbit. Here we have a few decent sized rabbits running around the paddocks on my permission. Final thoughts for the video guys. Some of you might not like the video, some of you might absolutely love it. It's something that I thought that would be different from what other channels normally do, so we give it a try, see what people like, see what they don't, and we push the channel forward. As always guys, stay awesome and thank you very much for watching.